I'm sure you've heard the news, robots are taking over the world. Don't worry, it's a good thing. From factories to hospitals, robotics and automation are transforming our world. In industries, robotic arms work with precision, boosting productivity and reducing errors. Imagine machines operating 24/7, helping companies save time and money. In healthcare, robotic surgery is a game changer. Doctors now perform complex procedures with unmatched accuracy, leading to better patient outcomes. And let's talk about self-driving cars. AI-powered vehicles are set to revolutionize transportation, reducing accidents and easing traffic. Even deliveries are smarter now. Drones are zipping around, transporting goods faster and revolutionizing logistics and e-commerce. At home, automation is making life a breeze. Smart assistants, robotic vacuums, and AI gadgets handle daily tasks effortlessly. But hold on, this is just the beginning. AI-driven robots are becoming more intelligent, interactive, and capable of learning. The future is brimming with possibilities. The robotic revolution is happening now. Are you ready for the future? Follow us for more exciting insights.